Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can report a problem on AliExpress. It's pretty simple. First, you want to click on account at the bottom right of your screen after opening the AliExpress app. And over here, scroll a bit down. And under services, you can see the three options: Help Center, Suggestion, Q&A. You can click on Help Center and it's going to take you to the Help Center of AliExpress. And it's going to show you the list of problems which is like common in AliExpress. And if some of the problem you have is a common issue, you can read through the list and try to figure out how to fix that. But let's say you don't want to read through the list. You have a specific, problem you want to report to AliExpress. In that case, you want to go on suggestions. And once you click on suggestion, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, click on submit suggestions. Over here at the top, make sure you choose report a bug. And at the bottom, explain your problem. Let's say my problem was account password. After entering your problem like this, I keep entering correct account password and I still can't log in. Help me fix it. Once you write a problem like this, you can click on the camera icon and include a screenshot of your problem if you have it. If you don't, you can leave it empty and scroll a bit down and click on submit. Once you click on submit, this problem will be submitted to AliExpress. The staff will view it and they'll help you fix a problem. So that's how we guys can report a problem in AliExpress. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.